Welcome to Tunisia, a hidden gem nestled in North Africa. Tunisia, a country whose very geography tells a tale of diversity, is a fascinating blend of Mediterranean coastline and the expansive golden sands of the Sahara. This relatively small nation is a trove of cultural richness, with a history that has seen Phoenician traders, Roman conquerors, and Arab dynasties. This tapestry of influences has shaped its landscapes, from the whitewashed hilltop villages to the verdant olive groves and the palm-filled oases. But it's not just about the past. Tunisia is very much a country looking forward, balancing tradition and progress in a uniquely Tunisian way. Its landscapes are a testament to this, a harmonious blend of the old and the new, the natural and the crafted. So, strap on your virtual travel gear as we prepare to embark on a journey through Tunisia, exploring its most breathtaking landscapes. First stop, the lush green landscape of Tabarka, a coastal town known for its mountainous backdrop. Nestled in the northwestern corner of Tunisia, Tabarka is a gem that sparkles with vivid hues of emerald and sapphire. It's a place where the Mediterranean Sea dances with the sky, and the mountains throw their arms around the horizon. Tabarka is a symphony of nature, an orchestra of pine forests that sing in the wind, mountains that rise in a crescendo, and beaches that gently hum along the coast. The town is cloaked in a vibrant green tapestry of pine trees, their needles whispering stories of the ages. The forests are an artist's palette, dappled with sunlight and shadow, creating a spectacle that's as captivating as it is tranquil. Beyond the pine forests, the mountains of Tabarka rise majestically, their peaks etched against the sky. These rugged highlands are a testament to the untamed beauty of the region, their slopes adorned with an array of flora and fauna. They serve as a natural amphitheater, where the echoes of nature's symphony can be heard in all its glory. But the allure of Tabarka doesn't stop at its forests and mountains. The town is also home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Tunisia. Imagine lounging on golden sands, the sun casting a warm glow on your skin as the azure waves of the Mediterranean Sea lap at your feet. The beaches are a perfect blend of serenity and vibrancy, where visitors can bask in the sun, swim in the clear waters, or simply admire the stunning seascape. Yet what truly sets Tabarka apart is its serene atmosphere. It's a place where time seems to slow down, where the hustle and bustle of the world fade into the background. Here, one can truly connect with nature, feel the pulse of the earth, and soak in the peace that permeates the air. Tabarka is a testament to Tunisia's diverse landscapes, seamlessly blending sea, mountain and forest. It's a paradise waiting to be discovered, a haven where nature's beauty unfolds in all its splendor. So, come and lose yourself in the lush greenery of Tabarka, and let its charm sweep you off your feet. Next, we journey into the expansive golden sands of the Sahara Desert. As we delve into the heart of Tunisia, we encounter the vast and mesmerizing Sahara, a testament to the country's diverse landscapes. The Sahara is not just a desert, it's a world of its own. Stretching over a large part of Tunisia, the Sahara's golden sands ripple into stunning dunes that change their shapes with the desert winds, creating an ever-evolving landscape that is as dynamic as it is majestic. Picture this, endless waves of golden sands, shimmering under the hot sun, mirroring the sky's azure blue. The desert's beauty lies in its simplicity, its vastness, and the quiet it offers. It's a place where time seems to stand still, and one can truly disconnect and experience the elemental beauty of nature in its rawest form. The Sahara is not just about the day, though. As dusk falls, the desert transforms into a celestial observatory. The sky, devoid of artificial light, becomes a stargazer's paradise. The stars twinkle like diamonds strewn across black velvet, and the moon bathes the desert in a soft, ethereal glow. It's a spectacle that leaves you breathless, a reminder of our small place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. But this desert is more than just sand and stars. It's a testament to the adaptability of life, with unique flora and fauna that have mastered the art of survival in this seemingly inhospitable terrain. It's also a testament to human resilience, with communities that have called the desert home for centuries, their culture and way of life, shaped by the sands of time. The Sahara offers a stark contrast to the lush greenery of Tabarka we just explored. From verdant forests to golden dunes, Tunisia's diverse landscapes are a microcosm of our planet's incredible biodiversity. The Sahara Desert serves as a golden canvas, painting a picture of Tunisia's diverse landscapes. Each grain of sand tells a story of time and transformation, of life's resilience and nature's majesty. The Sahara is not just a desert, it's a destination, a journey, an experience, and it's waiting for you to explore its golden expanse. From the desert, we now travel to the historic beauty of Sidi Bou Said. This idyllic town, perched high on a cliff overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, is a splendid fusion of Tunisian heritage and Mediterranean charm. A first glance at Sidi Bou Said is like stepping into a painting where the canvas is awash with a harmonious blend of blue and white. This is no accident, but rather a deliberate architectural choice that has become the town's signature aesthetic. Walking through the labyrinthine streets of this town feels like traversing a living art gallery where every corner reveals a new tableau of these two contrasting colors. The buildings of Sidi Bou Said are a testament to the town's rich history. The traditional Tunisian architecture, with its arched doorways and ornate wrought iron window grilles, is a visual narrative of the centuries gone by. These structures, with their white walls and blue doors, windows and rooftops, are a reflection of the town's unique identity, a glorious blend of Arabic, Andalusian and Mediterranean influences. But Sidi Bou Said is not just about its buildings. The town's geographical location offers panoramic views of the azure Mediterranean Sea. The sight of the vast expanse of water dotted with the sails of distant boats is a spectacle that leaves visitors spellbound. The sea, ever changing in its hues, adds to the town's scenic beauty, making Sidi Bou Said a picturesque postcard come to life. The town's Mediterranean feel is enhanced by the presence of vibrant bougainvillea flowers that drape over the walls, the aroma of jasmine that fills the air, and the tranquil sound of the sea that provides the perfect soundtrack to this visual symphony. Sidi Bou Said is a feast for the eyes, showcasing Tunisia's rich history and culture through its architecture and views. This town, with its blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, is a testament to the scenic splendor that Tunisia has to offer. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or simply a lover of beautiful places, Sidi Bou Said is sure to captivate your heart. Our final stop is the stunning Oasis of Tozeur. As we journey across Tunisia, we find ourselves at an unexpected paradise nestled in the heart of the desert. Imagine endless stretches of golden sands interrupted by a lush, green oasis. This is Tozeur, a tranquil sanctuary where the desert meets life. Tozeur is known for its extensive palm groves, an emerald sea amidst the arid desert. These groves are home to over 400,000 date palms, creating a mesmerizing landscape that's a sight to behold. These aren't just any dates, mind you, these are Deglet Noor dates, often referred to as the Queen of Dates. They're renowned worldwide for their sweetness and translucent, honey-like color. But it's not just the palm groves that make Tozeur a haven in the desert. The oasis is also blessed with natural springs which bubble up from the ground, providing a vital source of water in this parched land. These springs feed the palm groves and allow a diverse range of flora and fauna to thrive in this otherwise inhospitable environment. But the beauty of Tozeur extends beyond its natural landscape. The town itself is steeped in history and culture. Its old town, Ouled El Hadef, is a labyrinth of narrow alleyways and brick buildings that date back to the 14th century. The architecture is unique, with intricate geometric patterns etched into the brickwork, a testament to the skill and artistry of the local craftsmen. Tozeur is not just an oasis in the literal sense, but also in terms of the tranquility it offers. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the modern world and immerse yourself in the serene beauty of nature. The air is fresh with the fragrance of dates, the sound of rustling palm leaves, and the gentle gurgle of the springs. The oasis of Tozeur is a testament to the resilience of life, a beacon of green in the heart of the desert. It's a place where the impossible becomes possible, where life not only survives but thrives against all odds. Tozeur, a lush oasis in the heart of the desert, is the perfect end to our scenic journey across Tunisia. From lush greenery and golden sands to historic towns and tranquil oases, Tunisia is a country of diverse, breathtaking landscapes. We've journeyed through the lush green vistas of Tabarka, marveled at the sprawling golden sands of the Sahara, strolled through the historic blue and white streets of Sidi Bou Said, and reveled in the serene beauty of the oasis of Tozeur. Each one a testament to Tunisia's natural beauty and rich history. These are just glimpses of what this incredible country has to offer. Imagine standing on these grounds, feeling the warmth of the Saharan sun on your skin, the cool breeze of Tabarka rustling through your hair, the history of Sidi Bou Said under your feet, and the tranquility of Tozeur soothing your senses. It's an experience that words cannot fully capture. Now we want to hear from you. Which part of the world should we explore next? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us to continue bringing you these scenic journeys.